Computing the distance between two integers. Okay, if we're trying to find the distance between two integers, this is just a subtraction problem. So what we got to do is take the bigger number and subtract the smaller number. We always got to do it that way because distance is a positive number. It's not going to be negative. So we could do it the other way, 3 minus 10, but we'd have to take the absolute value. So instead, it's make life easy, subtract the smaller from the larger. So we do 10 minus 3, which of course is 7. If you also want to count it out, you can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 2 ways to approach this problem. Let's do the next one. Now we've got -2 and a -8. So it's the same thing again, a little trickier with negatives, but it's -2 minus -8. All right, so what do we do when we have a minus and negative? Remember that combines to become a plus. So it's -2 plus 8. When we have a negative and a positive being added like this, it's like a subtraction problem. It's really 8 minus 2. And since the positive is the bigger force, we know that final answer's got to be positive, and we're going to get a 6. If you're not sure about that, you can just count again and say it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's definitely a distance of 6. Cool. All right, last question. We're going to do 4 minus -5. So again, we have a minus and negative, that becomes a plus. So 4 plus 5 equals 9, and our answer is 9, just like that. There we go.